OLG is a place to go for fun. And to keep fun in the game, PlaySmart has built 4 tools to help you play personalized. It starts with My Play Customizer, where you take control of your game by setting your own time and money budgets, allowing you to customize your play to just how you like it, while still keeping it fun every time you play. Next is My Play Profile. Answer 9 simple questions about your playing habits so you can see what kind of play best suits you. There's also My Play History. Here you'll learn how to keep your time on OLG fun with personalized feedback about your play patterns. Knowing your play habits can help you make better decisions when playing. And the last tool you'll find here is My Play Breaks, which helps you step away and take a break whenever you decide you need one. Anywhere from 1 day to 3 months. These 4 easy-to-use tools give you the power to keep gaming fun and make every play with confidence. To get started, go to your account and click on My PlaySmart Tools.